Welcome! My name is Thijs Smit and I'm very excited because today in this short video I'm introducing to you our new, fully ready Total Productive Maintenance or TPM approach. Something I'm very proud of and where all my examples of previous TPM implementations at various companies worldwide and other working fields are coming all together in this unique approach. In this video I will explain to you what we want to achieve with regards to this program, what TPM is all about, what our unique TPM implementation approach is, and I will give you some examples of implementations, and why you should be curious as well and anxious to implement this in your company. At Dutch Operational Excellence Consulting, we want to create a better working environment for people in order for them to achieve their audacious personal and business goals. By closely coaching, supporting and working together with our customers, we will increase their capabilities and thereby the people that they can contribute to their full increased potential. We are using all available, known and proven continuous improvement tools as an accelerant in order to obtain this better working environment and the improved business results. By using these tools, it becomes tangible and concrete, and we're going to achieve actual results. Experience shows that especially within production areas, a lot of value can still be created. And a very effective program to use is the Total Productive Maintenance or TPM methodology. In a step-by-step approach, we're going to improve the work environment, improve the machine conditions, decrease the cost, and we're going to empower the employees to implement autonomous teams. The ultimate goal of TPM is to achieve optimal conditions with zero accidents, zero defects, zero breakdowns, and where the people capabilities are being used in an optimal way. It's aiming on bringing and maintaining the equipment in top conditions to prevent breakdowns and delays in production processes and thereby increasing the business results with the desired ownership. Firstly, we will improve the production and maintenance departments and then each other supporting department in order to work together towards a common goal. Our program is divided in 6 different constructive phases, in which phase 0 is all about preparation and overall program steering. Phase 1 is the implementation of the machine conditions and behavioral change of the involved people. Phase 2 is the increase of the lifespan of the machine parts, and further the skills and effectiveness of the people involved we're going to increase. Phase 3 is the improvement of the preventive maintenance plan and further increase of the skills and effectiveness of the people involved. Phase 4 is the self-steering autonomous teams and advanced maintenance techniques. And at the final phase, phase 5, we're going to look towards the implementations of Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. Our implementation approach consists of presentations with step-by-step implementation instructions per methodologies, including practical examples of implementations at other companies. It consists of management workshops with in-house brainstorm regarding change management, regarding communication, regarding program steering. Also workshops with the people from the shop floor with side-by-side support from our consultants implementing this program with them so it's also sustainable for the future. We have in-house trainings for further explanation of the theory, and we have supporting video trainings that supports all these presentations, workshops, trainings, etc. So the employees can view these in the time that will suit them. Next to the actual online support we have at your site, we also have, of course, offline support for the execution and the integration of the work that needs to be done. And we have an auditing system for an objective comparison based on the international GIPM, the Japanese Institute of Plant Maintenance audit, and a world-class maintenance audit scan that we have to see where are you improving and what is your level on that ladder. So if we talk about examples of what TPM can bring with regards to autonomous inspections, we're talking about cleaning, inspection and lubrication tasks performed by operators and technicians, visually marked on the machine. We're talking about autonomous visual inspections and visual checklists. We will have examples of what TPM with 5S can contribute to a professional workplace. Above all, a tidy workplace is safer, reflects the professionalism of our work, and it eliminates search time. And we will implement and improve the daily meetings and visual management. We will also grow as an organization with knowledge and skills, so we'll be able to make conscious choices between different maintenance strategies. For a good preventive maintenance system, there will be needed a good balance between the technical availability for production, the unplanned downtime, the maintenance cost, and the prediction of the effectiveness of the organization. And yes, every organization wants to have predictive maintenance technique, but it's not a holy grail for each component, as we will teach you. And yes, we can teach you how to implement the new thing of Industry 4 and 5.0. But the organizational foundation needs to be ready before you can act. So, the question is, how well is the foundation of your organization? So I told you what we want to achieve with regards to this program, what TPM is all about, what our unique Dutch Operational Excellence Consulting TPM implementation approach is, together with some examples from the field, and why you should be curious and anxious to implement this one as well. We talked about advanced maintenance techniques, organizational methods and leadership. We talked about the right foundation to build your world-class organization on. Contact us to know more about where are you as an organization towards world class and how this program or elements from this program can help you towards the next step change. As said, I'm very excited regarding this approach, and there's way much more than we can tell you in this too short video. So if you're curious about our trainings, our hand-in-hand approach, methodology and support, or our methods, please contact us and we will gladly show you more.